Vice President Chiwenga has assumed the role of acting president following President Emmerson Mnangagwa's trip to Eswatini, where he is officiating at the Kingdom's 57th International Trade Fair and attending the Umhlanga Reed Dance Ceremony. Sinabenda mashoko onokwa vipi Chiwenga aiwachisu assume the role of acting president. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Mnangagwa functions Mnangagwa arrived in Eswatini over the weekend with the visit to strengthen bilateral ties, stressing the importance of cooperation in agriculture, tourism, trade, education, science, innovation, and technology. He also encouraged Eswatini's citizens to visit and invest in Zimbabwe, reiterating his now familiar mantra, Zimbabwe is open for business. The president further called on Africans to take pride in their heritage and to push for reforms in global institutions such as the United Nations, while thanking Eswatini for its consistent support in calling for the removal of Western sanctions on Zimbabwe. King Mswati III, in turn, applauded Zimbabwe's Vision 2030 and development initiatives, promising that Eswatini would learn from Zimbabwe's experiences. Although Mnangagwa's trip is an ordinary diplomatic assignment, Chiwenga's assumption of presidential powers rekindles memories of Zimbabwe's unresolved succession battles within ZANU-PF. The ruling party has been plagued by factionalism for over 2 decades, largely rooted in the question of who should lead after long-serving figures. During Robert Mugabe's final years, ZANU-PF was split between the Lagos faction led by Mnangagwa and the G4 faction fronted by Grace Mugabe and younger party elites. That power struggle culminated in the November 2017 coup, which saw Chiwenga, then commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, playing a decisive role in removing Mugabe and installing Mnangagwa as president. Though routine, every instance of Chiwenga stepping in as acting president is viewed through the lens of ZANU-PF succession politics. His assumption of authority underscores the delicate balance within the ruling party, where leadership transitions remain a source of anxiety and intrigue. For many Zimbabweans, the unresolved rivalry between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga represents the constitution of decades-long pattern. Leadership struggles within ZANU-PF overshadowing the pressing national crisis of economic decline, unemployment, and political repression. Thomas Kwaribo Pangwa in the emblems irikuya pangwa ino ichirepresentwa aiwa nekuteka over power kana kuti acting president unoasumwa naVP Chiwenga kunyazi kuonekwa kunzi aiwa kune kuchithreatena aiwa most of the people vanoonekwa kunzi vari the ruling party especially vari aligned in the vision 2030. Pinda comment section medu dzimafunguro aimo todei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.